I always say this, being a celebrity, it's not nice. Being known, it's not nice. Because whatever that happens or whatever that is happening in your life, you always have the edge of you wanting to come back and explain yourself. Yo, nang kasekgone. Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, and I hope you will stay. Webathandi Bomgosi, recently there are pictures of our own DJ Lamizi circulating on the internet. And let me tell you something, people are not too kind on whatever that is happening there. Lamizi recently revealed that she was, of course, allegedly hospitalized due to some health issues, and during that process, she needed some blood transfusion to be done on her so that she can regain her strength and health back. She then appeared recently, wearing a beautiful pink dress, showing her godly made structure of her body. But the comments, I am worried about the comments. People are so vile. One thing that people fail to understand daily is that commenting on someone's body, it can make a huge impact on them. And this is what Lamizi said. The social media streets that were clapping when were body shaming me are the same ones that body shamed you, saying you twerk ngesishwapa. They body shamed you straight into surgery. But you had the nerve to rally with them so you all can drag and body shame me for no reason. Marake, unlike you, my confidence is intact. I will not shrink myself to accommodate anyone. Khohlwane bafana bami. This conversation is really deep. We've seen how Gugu Gumede was trolled on social media for moving from being a big size girl to a more smaller size girl because that is what she preferred, and people were attacking her. And now people are attacking Ulamizi, and the comments are so vile. Saying that her BBL has expired, the BBL is tired. We don't even remember Lamizi doing a BBL, if our memory serves us well. But this is indeed shocking. And majority of the people who were commenting there, but it was female. The hate that our gender has on one another, it's just shocking. But I like Lamizi's statement, clock it, girl. Where now you can never shrink yourself to accommodate people and their opinions. If people have whatever they want to say about you, let them say it, girl. Let them do it. You know yourself. Your confidence is there up high. No one can touch it. That's it for today. Please do leave your comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.